To show you the 2011 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.